is the what do you call it? The mother's meeting thing. Is it going to be online?
Yes,
Of course.
of course. Okay.
Okay.
Let us start with the quadrilaterals. Girls, how many sides quadrilaterals have?
It has four.
Excellent.
4 sides, 4
This is
vertices,
the
and 4
first
angles.
This is the first thing that you have to know, everyone. Quadrilaterals means 4. Why only few girls today? Where are the others?
Miss, at the end of the day, nobody joins.
Ah. Complete the sentence that describe each type of quadrilateral. A general quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 angles. Now, girls, what is the meaning of parallel? Do anyone know what is the meaning of parallel?
Yeah.
I will show you. Like see girls, please be very careful. Is these two lines are parallel? Are these two lines parallel to each other? Yes or no?
No.
Feroz, are these lines parallel?
Wow.
Okay, if I do the same thing this way, now are these parallel?
No.
Okay, these lines,
Yes.
see, these lines are parallel and these lines are not parallel. Why? Why? Because you see that they go in the same direction. Now, if I draw this way, these two are called parallel lines. If I could draw the up and down, these two are called parallel lines. Like example, if I draw this, exactly same this. This is parallel line. If I draw a straight line and I draw a little bit, is this parallel line? No, this is not a parallel line. They have to be exactly same. Now, if I draw this and if I draw exactly same like this side, are these parallel, Mariana? Are these parallel lines? Mariana?
Yeah.
Is this parallel line?
Yes, because it's like not straight. Yes. It's like
Amal, this is parallel line. Now, if I draw the same thing this way, now is it parallel line?
No.
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 And how about the up and down? Up and down. It's exactly the same.
Yeah.
Don't go with the length, girls. See, sometimes the length is this and this, but they are parallel. Don't go for the length. The length, if it's not same, it doesn't matter.
The length, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
So like, can you tell me it again?
Like these two are parallel lines. How many parallel lines do you see in a trapezoid? This is called a trapezoid. How many parallel lines you see a trapezoid?
2.
2. Excellent answer. That means you got the concept. Amal. Now, if I say this is a square, rectangle, and this is a square, how many parallel lines square has?
0.
Huh? 4. 1 line and 2 lines. They're parallel. They're exactly the same direction.
Wait, what? How does it work?
My dear,
Can you tell me again?
see this line, like up, I have seen this up, and I saw the down. They're exactly the same. They are not one is up and the other is down. No, this is straight line and this is straight line. This is a straight line.
So we're going to see what like two
it's not that it has to be straight.
Lines.
See, this is not straight, but same direction.
It has to be like the same direction.
Yes, same direction. Even if it changes little bit, like see, this is there. This instead of this way, it goes.
It's a parallel line.
Now is it parallel?
No.
Now is it parallel?
No.
Now
it is parallel.
Yes.
Parallel.
So Jana, do you see the difference between parallel?
What did you say?
Parallel. This is parallel line. Now if I make it this way, is it parallel?
No.
Now?
No.
No. So that's why to be parallel, It has to be exactly like, see, this line is this way. So the other has to be exactly this. If it is this way, it's not parallel. It has to be exactly the way it is up. If I make this and ask you to make a parallel line, you will just make a parallel line side to it like this. That's it. Okay?
Okay.
This is the concept of this lesson. If you understand this, it's very easy. Now let us come back to your lesson. Everyone, listen to me, and then I'm going to give you time to pay, to write. Now, page number 649. Now you have how many opposite sides? Opposite sides. A parallelogram is a special trapezoid with opposite sides that are congruent. What is the meaning of congruent? Same length, same sides. And how many congruent sides this parallelogram have? 4 congruent sides, because one line, one line, one line, one line. A square has 4 congruent sides and 4 right angles. Parallelogram with 4 right angles and 4 pairs of perpendicular sides. 1 pair of parallel side. Girls, why is it 1 pair, not 2 pairs?
Because the parallel side is just one. It isn't two.
This side
It's
is
like
not parallel.
curve.
This side is not parallel. They are not looking parallel.
Look.
But yes, very good. Excellent, whoever did that. But these lines,
Me, Tala.
very good, Tala. Now this with the red color here, this one, and this with the red color, these are parallel lines. Got it? Got it, girls? Speak up.
What?
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah. So will you all write it now?
We're writing. I'm writing.
You're writing with me?
Miss, can you scroll down?
Now, is it okay?
Because I want to.
Miss, we can
Yes,
write.
I want to see like.
Yes, you need to write this.
Yeah.
Type of quadrilaterals are parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square, and trapezoid.
Write those
All of
like
them.
those things.
Miss,
Yes.
we write that.
Okay.
Yes, you need to know that quadrilaterals are parallelograms, rectangle. You need to write everything. Okay, others, did you all finish?
Miss, no way. Miss, I'm in the last one.
Miss, I'm in trapezoid.
Okay.
Finish.
Done.
Okay. So I have finished. Let us write. The other page is going to be very easy for you all. Okay. Take a picture of this so that you understand why it is called a trapezoid. Why is it called?
I took a screenshot.
Great. Now, but do you know why is it called a quadrilateral? You know that all are quadrilateral. It's a trapezoid because you have only 2 parallel lines. Even this is a trapezoid, it's a rectangle, it's a parallelogram, and a quadrilateral. This is a parallelogram, trapezoid, it cannot be rhombus. 2 sides are not equal, that means it is a trapezoid. 2 sides are not equal, the other 2 sides are equal. So that means if all 4 sides are not equal, that is a trapezoid. It cannot be rectangle because rectangle means all have to be 90 degrees like this. This is a trapezoid because two angles are same. Again, now coming to down part, because this lesson is not in your quizzes, not in the test, but it's very good to know that rhombus
Okay.
is sometime a square, a parallelogram is sometime a rectangle, a rhombus is always a parallelogram, a trapezoid is sometimes a parallelogram. Everything, girls, you need to write and you need to draw this, girls. I will give you time, don't worry. This diagram, if you understand, it will make you very clear about everything. These are trapezoids, these are parallelograms, this is rhombus, these are rectangles, and in the middle, a square. Please draw all of it and write all of it. I'm gonna give you time.
Me, if I even existed.
Okay.
And also, I sort of did the homework, the one for the last lesson, but I didn't really do it. But like, I did it without writing it.
All right, listen to me now.
That's how it works.
Listen to me. As tomorrow also, okay, tomorrow we have three-dimensional figures. Now come to page 651. Let me explain first and then you're gonna write. Now, the sides of this, are any of the sides congruent? Any. That means line AB and line DC are congruent. Yes, they are same. See, two lines and two lines, they are same. So I write yes, because they ask you any of the sides. Then they ask, how many right angles do you see? I don't see any right angle. Do you see any right angle? Do you see any L shape? Proper L shape? Do you
No.
see any proper L shape in the picture? No.
No.
Any. So that's why none. How many pairs of parallel sides? Pairs. They did not ask you how many parallel sides they see. Pairs. There are two pairs of parallel sides. Quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezoid and a parallelogram. Here, it's a trapezoid and a parallelogram and also a rectangle. They are parallel. It's a rectangle. Here, it's not a parallelogram. Is it a parallelogram? No, because these two are not same, but it's a trapezoid.
Miss, do we do 2 and 3?
Yes, you need to do 2 and 3. You need to write, but don't write this explanation. Just write it is a quadrilateral and it's a trapezoid, parallelogram. Before writing that, I want to ask you, okay, Feroz, what do you see here? First thing, what a square, right? Square.
Yeah, square.
Next, what is it? It's a quadrilateral.
Yeah.
It's also a trapezoid, okay? It's a quadrilateral, trapezoid, parallelogram. It's a rectangle. It's also a rhombus. It's a square. See, now you will say me, teacher, I don't call this a rectangle. It cannot be a rectangle. But rectangle also have, like, you know, the sides are parallel is also called a rectangle. It's okay if you don't write a rectangle and confuse yourself, but write everything. Here, it cannot be a square, it cannot be a rectangle, it cannot be a parallelogram. It's just quadrilateral and trapezoid. Now, I will just put the page here. And please complete it. I'm sorry.